Hi viewers, this is B.R. Shankar Physics. Now we discuss about problems in waves. First problem, a stretched wire of length 0.6 meter is observed to vibrate with a frequency of 30 Hz in fundamental mode. If the string has a linear mass of 0.05 kg per meter, find the velocity of propagation of transverse wave in the string, the tension of the string. So first of all, we should know which values are given in the problem. So the given values are string length L equal to 0.6 meter, linear density mu equal to 0.05 kilogram per meter, and frequency N equal to 30 Hz. The formula of the fundamental frequency N equal to V by 2L. So we want to find out wave velocity. So V equaled N into 2L. Substitute the given values. So frequency N is 30 and 2 into L value 0.6. Multiply 2 into 0.6 is 1.2 and multiply 30 into 1.2 is 36 meter per second. That is the velocity of the wave. Next, wave velocity and the string formula is V equal to root over T by mu. So squaring on both sides we get V square is T by mu. We want to find out the tension. So make the tension is subject, then T equal to V square into mu. Substitute the given values. T equal to V, just we find out the value 36. So V square is 36 into 36 into mu value given 0.05. So multiply 36 into 0.05 is 1.8 and also 36 into 1.8 is 64 Newton. That is the value of the tension, 64 Newton. Second problem, a steel cable of diameter 3 centimeter is kept under a tension of 10 kilonewton. The density of steel is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. With what speed would transverse waves propagate along the cable? Okay, the given data is radius of wire are equal to 3 by 2 centimeter. So convert it into meter, that is 3 by 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Next, tension T is 10 kilonewton, that is 10 into 10 cube Newton. Next, density rho is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. So convert it into kilogram per meter cube. We should multiply 10 cube. So density is 7.8 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. Here we want to find out wave velocity V. Formula is V equal to root over T by mu. Tension T is given in the problem, but mu linear density, the value of linear density is does not given. So I want to find out the linear density. Linear density mu equal to mass by length. Next, density D equal to M by V, mass by volume. Here volume of the wire V is cross sectional area A into length L. So density D equal to M by A into L. The cross section of the wire is a shape of circle. So cross section area of the circle is pi r square. So density D equal to M by pi r square L. From this we got the mass M equal to D into pi r square L. So linear density mu equal to M by L is M by substitute the M value D pi r square L by L. Here L is cancelled. So mu is D into pi r square. So wave velocity V equal to root over T by D pi r square. Now substitute the given values in this formula. V equal to root over tension 10 into 10 cube by density D is 7.8 into 10 cube into pi value 22 by 7 into radius R value 3 by 2 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. So the square root of the 10 power 4 is 10 square and R value 3 by 2 into 10 power minus 2 whole squares. Cancel the square and the square root. Then we get out of the square root is tan square by 3 by 2 into 10 power minus 2. So in the square root 1 by, we can write 7.8 is 3.9 into 2, okay, into 22 by 7, that is we can write 11 by 7 into 2 into 10. Here we can write 7.8 into 10 cube is 78 into 10 square. So here we change 39 into 2 into 10 square. So find out the square root of 10 square is 10 and 2 into 2 is 2. So we get v is equal to 10 power 4 by 3 by 2 into square root of 7 by 39 into 11, 429 into 10 square. So 2 is cancelled. So we equal 10 cube by 3 root of, we can find out the value 0.0163. Next, square root of 0.0163 is 0.13 and divide it with 3, we get v is equal to 0.426 into 10 cube, that is v equal to 42.6 meter per second. Next, third problem. Two progressive transverse waves given by y1 is 0.07 sine pi of 12x minus 500t and y2 is 0.07 sine pi of 12x plus 500t traveling along a stretched string form nodes and antinodes. What is the displacements at A nodes, at B antinodes? What is the wavelength of the string wave, standing wave? So here the given is y1 is 0.07 sine pi of 12x minus 500t and y2 is 0.07 sine pi of 12x plus 500t. So general equation of a progressive transverse wave is y equal to a sine of kx plus or minus omega t. Compare the equations. We get amplitude a1 is 0.07 meter and a2 is also 0.07 meter and propagation constant k is 12 pi. So first one, displacement at node. So formula A is a1 minus a2. So A is 0.07 minus 0.07. Substitute the values, we get A is 0. So displacement at node is 0 meter. Next, B, displacement at antinode. A is a1 plus a2. Substitute the values. A equals 0.07 plus 0.07 is 0.14 meter. Next, third one, wavelength. Formula lambda equal to 2 pi by k. So lambda equal to 2 pi by k value 12 pi. So cancel the pi values, we get 2 by 12 is 1 by 6 and we get lambda is 0.16 meter. Next, fourth problem. A string has a length of 0.4 meter and a mass of 0.16 gram. If the tension in the string is 70 Newton, what are three lowest frequencies it produces when plucked? So what are the given? String length L is 0.4 meter, mass M is 0.16 gram. So convert it into kilogram, we get 0.16 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Next, tension T is 70 newtons. Lowest frequency N1 is 1 by 12 root over T by mu. So linear density mu is mass by length. Substitute the given values. Mass is 0.16 into 10 power minus 3 by length 0.4. Cancel 0.16 by 0.4. We get mu is 0.4 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram per meter. So substitute the values. We get N1 is 1 by 2 into L value 0.4 root over T value 70 by mu value 0.4 into 10 power minus 3. So 1 by 2 into 0.4 is 0.8 root over 70 by 0.4, we can write 4 by 10. So 4 into 10 power minus 4. So square root of the 10 power minus 4 is 10 power minus 2. So we get 0.8 is, we can write 10 by 8. So 10 by 8 into 10 power minus 2 root over 70. So 1 by 10 power minus 2 is 10 square. So we get 10 cube by 8 into root of 70 value 8.27. So 10 power 8 by 8 is 62.5 into 8.27 is 523 hertz. So second harmonic N2 is 2 into N1, that is equal 2 into 523 is 1046 hertz. And third harmonic N3 is 3N1, so that is N3 equal to 3 into 523 is 1569 hertz.